My message to our caregivers out there is, please, try as much as possible to start early. Start early in teaching your children sex education. Start early so you can take the driver's seat. Number two is, try as much as possible to build confidence in these children. When they are confident, they can say no. When they are confident, they can withstand those who want to be pushy out there. Number three is, silence never keep anyone safe. Being silent never keep any child safe. So please, don't be silent so that the world will teach them. Speak out. Teach. Let them learn from you. Silent never keep a child safe. Make sure that you're raising white kids. How do you raise white kids? It begins with you having a honest talk. Raising white kids begin with you having a honest talk, honest conversation, teaching them the truth, teaching them the mistake you made, telling them the real thing that is attainable out there in the world. Don't sugarcoat it. Don't paint it. Make sure that you're teaching them the truth. Don't fear the sex talk. Don't say they are too young. Don't say, where do I begin? Don't say, how do I communicate it? Don't say the school will teach them. Don't say social media will teach them. Don't say their peers will teach them. Teach them yourself. Start the sex talk. It will not make you a bad person. It does not predispose them to become sexually active early. It does not make them spoiled children. It makes them informed. It makes them well prepared. So please start the sex talk. But you must know age-appropriate information to give out. You don't go all in. Know at each stage of a child's life what you're going to give out. So please start the sex talk. Teach your children to start setting boundaries. Give them parameters to set boundaries. I've talked about these parameters, like build confidence in them, like teach them communication skill, like build awareness. They should have self-awareness in order for them to build boundaries. So set these parameters and make sure that you teach it. Please, our caregivers out there, okay? When you teach them these parameters, it helps them to be well informed. It keeps them safe. Strong values build better future. So have a value system that you teach. Have a value system that you uphold as a person, as a family. Help them to understand these values so that they can imbibe these values. When in doubt, talk. When you feel that something is awkward about your child, talk. Have a conversation with the child. Get to the heart of the child. Look for a way to draw the child out. I'm just saying, you should be there. You should find a way to get to the heart of your child. I'm just saying, you should be a protective hands for your child. Please, caregivers and parents out there, empower your children with the truth before the world teach them. Empower them with the truth before the world teach them. Hand over the truth templates to these children before the world hand over their own templates to these children. Because if the world gives them their own templates, it will be hard for your own templates to be fixed on their own mind, to be fixed in their own way. Let them not see what the world taught them as the correct one and the one you teach as the incorrect. That's why you need to catch them young. Please, Teach the truth. Debunk the lies. Leave the baggages we carry from the other generation. Teach what is attainable to this generation. The world is evolving. They need to learn. They need to learn the updated knowledge. So caregivers, get the right information so you can pass out the right information. Don't teach in vacuum. Teach the truth to them. Every child deserves to learn from the right source, from the right person. The world will not help you. Please teach before the world teach them. Parenting is not about perfection. It has never been like that. Parenting has never been perfection. Parenting is about being present. Don't seek for perfection. If any parent tell you I parent in perfection, it's a lie. Parenting has to be being at the moment, being at the present, being the guide. In the imperfect way you're parenting, you will find your perfection. You will find your voice. You will find the values to impart. Only if you keep learning. Only if you keep perfecting your parenting skill. Only if you see opportunity to keep giving your best. So don't look at parenting as a perfection or as a perfect way. Just know that it's a progression. You just keep building. You keep adding up. So please add up so you can give out to these children. It's just a way to motivate. It's my caregivers out there, my parents out there, my well-being adults out there. Let's be there for the children. Let's motivate ourselves to stand up for them. It will help them to grow. It will help them to be the better persons we want them to be tomorrow.